So Pericles came in my practice approximately 4 years ago. He had already had one very poor hair transplant with this ugly hairline, very thin and zero coverage actually. So it was a stage 5 to stage 6. So after 2 sessions, one with FUE and one with the combo technique, that means a combination of FUE with strip, this is our result after both sessions. Approximately 5,500 grafts were transplanted. This is, you can see this whole area. His hair is average, it's not very thick or thin, it's average. This is the donor area. You can see here this tiny scar, which is approximately 1 millimeter from the combo technique. So this is the scar I left behind, and this is his result. You can see it's thick, very natural. His donor area does not look thin at all. Let's wet the hair to see what we get. Θέλεις να βλέπεις κάθε εβδομάδα καινούρια βίντεο με περιστατικά πριν μετά ασθενών μεταμόσχευση μαλλιών? Γράψου στο κανάλι μου.